Welcome back. In this video, we are going through another coding exercises regarding the if conditions. So here we would like to write a program that takes an integer from the user and checks if it's within the range of 10 to 50. So if the number is less than 10, it prints too low. And if the number is more than 50, it prints too high. And if it is within the range of 10 and 50, it prints in range. To do that, we initialize a number. We mention to the user saying that enter a number, and we store the number, and then we go through the if conditions. So firstly, we need to check if the number is greater equal than 10 or not. So if this condition is true, it enters this part. So between these two brackets. Else, so if the number is lower than 10, it goes to this else directly and says too low. So the too low part, it's very straightforward. So if the number is greater or equal 10, it enters this statement of the if condition. Otherwise, this else will be activated and it says too low. So what if the number is greater or equal than 10? Then we need to check it again. So we check again saying that, okay, now the number is greater or equal than 10. However, we need to check to see if the number is also smaller or equal than 50. So if this condition passes, it says in range, and else it says too high. So let's imagine I enter one number called, like, say 2. So it starts here. If the number is greater or equal than 10, so no, because my number is 2, it escapes everything that is here and go to this, else part and prints too low. If my number is 20, it goes for the first if condition, saying that, okay, 20 is greater than 10, then it enters. Then it enters here. Then it checks again. So my number was 20. It says the number is lower or equal 50. Is it true? Yes. If it's true, it prints the in range and that's it. However, if my number, for example, was 100, although it passes the first condition, which is greater or equal than 10, it does not pass the second condition that must be lower than equal to 50. So if it does not pass through this condition, it goes to this else part saying that it's too high. Let's try. So we mention here, like, if the number is 2, it says too low, which is true. And then if the number is like 110, it says it's too high. Let's say why. So it's too high, and the reason is it says, okay, the number is greater or equal than 10, it enters, then it checks to see whether the number is lower or equal 50 or not. It's not. Then it goes for this else condition, which is too high. And if I choose a number within the range of 10 and 50, like say 25, it says it is in range. So here it checks, okay, it's greater than 10, it's lower than 50, then so it prints us the in range message in the terminal. Try to practice this exercise on your own and try to do it several times so you get convenient with the syntaxes of if condition. Thanks for watching.